In this video, I'll teach you how to perform keyword research for your Fiverr gigs. My name is Armando. I'm a level 1 seller here on Fiverr, and with this free tool, I'll teach you how to optimize your Fiverr gigs. So without further ado, let's get into it. Great. So first, let's get the extension. The name of it is called Fiverr Mate. It's on the Chrome Web Store. So once it's got that installed and set up for you, we're going to go focus on the main thing. So first of all, let's look at the gig that I'm going to be working with. This is a video editing gig, and this will be the name. And I'm going to go first to Fiverr Server Plus. So this is optional. If you have it, perfect. If not, still bear with me. So I'm going to be selecting top keywords, and I'm going to be selecting the name of it. So in here, I'm going to be rendering from a clicks perspective, and I'm going to be selecting this word. I'm going to be inputting on the buyer's window in here. And once I got that, press and search, I'm just going to go in here and make sure if it's listed. And here I am in the first page. So in here, I'm going to go back up in here, and with the Fiverr Mate option already overlaid on your Fiverr profile, you're going to get this list of keywords on the top section. So you're going to select them all, and you're going to pass them on onto as a screenshot in here. And in here, you're going to be able to highlight the words in here and copy it. So once you got all the words in here, press Control C and go into this website in here, and we're going to remove the duplicate words in here. So paste the same keywords in here and select any of these options, and you'll get the right keywords, like avoid any repeated keywords. So I'm going to copy this, and this will be my list of keywords I'm going to be working with, along with the ones that I've got here in top keywords. So this is a mix of both. Again, if you don't have Fiverr Server Plus, at least you have this in here for you to start working with. You're going to go to the gig in here, and I'm going to edit the gig in here, up in here, and I'm going to come here, and I'm going to be focusing on the title. So in here, as I said before, this is the top keyword, and I'm going to be using it in my gig title. So this is just as an example. This is the way that it looks. And then I'm going to go to the description. In here, I'm going to be carrying on with the rest of the keyword research. So whatever I've got in here, I'm going to be listing it in here. I already got it done. So just to give you a preview of what I've been looking at it, the main thing that I should probably share with you guys is that try to use as like a very like reasonable amount of keyword. Don't just use the keyword like 10 times or 20 times. It'll be rejected. So just use it, for example, 1 to 2 times per keyword. So for example, I'm going to go in here, and I'm going to be, for example, using Reels. Reels, I'm just going to use it once in here. So I'm going to go all the way down in here. It should be right up in here. So I could probably use it once or twice, but the thing is that Fiverr only allows like a very set of like repeated keywords per post. So yeah, you need to go back in here and make the appropriate changes. So for example, I wouldn't just use drop shipping. So I would include drop shipping. This is not within my skill set. So I will definitely exclude drop shipping, but I would definitely include shorts or Reels or TikTok. That's an example. Sorry. And other than that, just make the appropriate phrasing in here. Try to make it as like readable as possible and user friendly as possible, and just hit save. As an example, how does it look in real life? I'm gonna go to my gig section in here, and this is an update. What I've done so far? In here, I updated the titles in this state, and here's like a small like flow of my traffic. This state is where I did the changes in here. And then after I did the keyword research and gig titles optimizing, I went all up in here. And this is like the highest peak that I've had so far when it comes to impressions. My only like highlighting here or consideration is that the click rate is not that frequent. So it's pretty much sporadic, but it's definitely a very solid set of clicks that I've had this past, for example, 30 days. So yeah. It's a very good example for you to try. Again, this is a free tool. If you don't have Fiverr Mate, if you don't have Fiverr Server Plus, this is a free tool that could probably be a good option for you if you don't want to pay that much money. But if you do have Server Plus, you can always come back in here and include this rest of keywords and start making like a few dozen. For example, from a impression perspective, maybe try this one in here, or from like an order perspective. I don't have enough info in here, but click through rate. Again, you can start making different combinations and see for yourself. It's pretty much on your hands. Try to get as creative as possible. And yeah, I hope that was clear enough. If you have any questions, let me know. Leave it in the comments. And thank you for your time.